Okay, so now we are going to change the color. We're going to see how we can replace this yellow color here with a different color. All right. So now there are different ways. Again, there are different ways of doing this, of achieving this. I'm just going to be showing us one method that I normally use when I want to change colors in a particular image. Okay, so I'm going to go from this to this. Sorry, my laptop is hanging. Just give me a moment. The system load. Okay, so I'm going to change from this to this. So that's what we are going to do right now. We're going to make this yellow rubber do not looking balloon into this color. All right, so now let's begin. First, we're going to first of all make a duplicate of this layer by selecting Ctrl and G on the keyboard. Now when I do that, see, it makes a copy of this layer. All right, so now I'm going to right click this layer and select convert to smart object. And the reason I want to do this is so that I can preserve the details of my photo as much as possible, so that I don't edit the photo destructively in the sense that whatever changes I make to this smart object, now that I'm converting into a smart object, whatever changes I make, I'll be able to go back. All right, I'll be able to turn off those changes, turn off those adjustments, and go back to the original photo that I had from the beginning. All right, so that's why I'm converting this to smart object. Another reason why I'm converting it to smart object is because converting to smart objects in Photoshop enables you to preserve the photo quality. All right, enables you to preserve the photo quality. So as I'm converting to smart object right now, it will help me preserve the quality of my photo, so that in case if I move it around, resize it, make any adjustments in terms of the ratio of the image, that is the size of the image, all right, it doesn't distort or affect the photo quality too much. Okay, so now with that said, let's go ahead to change the colors. So now I'm going to go to image, adjustments, and hue and saturation. Okay, now when the dialog box opens, when this box opens here, I'll take master, this drop down here, and select yellows. Now with yellows selected, I'll come here and adjust this bar here. I'll try my best to focus this scroll bar here on the color range that I want to change. Okay, I don't want this to affect other sides of the photo. Now if I don't do this, what will happen is that it will affect other colors on the image, but I don't want it to affect other colors on the image. I just want this to touch only the yellow side, the yellow skins. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm trying to ensure that it doesn't affect the whole image. So I think that's suitable. Now I'll come here and I'll adjust it. You see what's happening now? It's turning the image red. All right, you see that? You see what happened right now? Smoothly. Okay, you see how? So if I should tweak this a little bit, you see it's affecting it a lot more, but I don't want it to get to that extent. Alright, so I think I'm satisfied with this extent. Alright, so you see how smooth the color transition is. Alright, so I'm just going to take OK. Now see what I said about converting to smart objects. I can turn off this eye symbol here on this smart filter, and when I do that, you see it returns back to the way it was originally. So assuming I didn't convert this to smart objects, I wouldn't have been able to do that. So this is just one method of changing the colors, all right, in or replacing colors in Photoshop. Alright, there are a whole lot of different methods, but this is one of the fastest methods I've been able to use most frequently. Alright, so in masterclass, of course, we look at different methods by which you can change colors. Alright, thank you.